Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rent an Airbnb. Really easy and simple. So once you're on the home page, first choose your location. Let's say I want to go ahead and do places in Denver, right? Then you need to put in your dates. The dates you want to go ahead and travel, right? So this is a whole month. When you do a whole month, you get discounts, monthly discounts, as you can see right here. Or if you want, you can go ahead and change your dates, choose your guess. Let's change our date. We'll pick specific dates. I'll do 19th of February to, let's say, 22nd February, right? We'll do a search. How many guests do you want? We'll do 2 guests, 2 adults, right? If you want to bring along pets, you can go ahead and click on that as well. You can add those as well in. And then you get pet-friendly apartments, pet-friendly houses, right? Now we have 814 places. You can go ahead and filter this even more if you want. For example, pricing, right? Or specific places with maybe an amazing pool. But let's say this is what caught your eye. Go ahead and click on that. I'll also show you the total amount, right? As you can see right here, you can see the total amount we will be charged because of the amount of nights. Now it is opening this in a new tab, so I'll go close these two. Okay, now once you're happy with it, you look at it, it's nice, you look at the amenities, everything like that. It has 47 plus amenities, you can see the reviews, and once you're happy, just come here, click on reserve. All right, now here is where you confirm and pay. If you want to add travel insurance, you can toggle that one on, and then you can just come here, connect to your bank, or you can pay from other methods as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or Google Pay. And then once you're happy, we can leave a message right here for the host. And then come here and click on confirm a pay, and they will email you that you have done the booking, and it will show up in your calendar. It's really that easy and simple.